Meeting. My name is Tom Gomat. I'm from the Permanent Building Committee, and I will be here to present for the Middle School Building Systems Project. The agenda for this presentation, I'll take you through the project background. I'll take you through the elements of design, the project schedule, and the budgetary cost. Project background. A significant renovation project was done at the middle school from 2006 to 2008. Several significant projects have been done since, complete window replacement project, most recently a piping project completed in 2019, and a couple of lecture halls were converted to classrooms. FMD identified some major projects that were necessary in the near term in order to provide a 25-year extended life of the middle school. And those would be this middle school building systems project, which I'm presenting tonight, and a paving project estimated for 2022. Project background. Harriman Architects were hired in August of 2018 to conduct a feasibility study. Design funding was approved at annual town meeting in 2019. Shawmut Design and Construction was awarded a CM at Risk contract November of 2019. And ongoing design has been proceeding from May of 2019 until August of 2020. HVAC systems replacement components. We propose to replace the heating and ventilating units in gymnasiums A and B. Replacement of the heating and ventilating units in the auditorium and adding air conditioning to the auditorium. And replacement of heating and ventilating units in the kitchen, as well as replacement of the kitchen exhaust systems. The kitchen renovation, all equipment will be replaced with some very minor exceptions. The kitchen and storage area is redesigned to meet current health and safety standards and improve workflow. The servery has been redesigned to create updated function and appearance. The design concept was to lighten the space and move away from the in-the-basement look. And the cafeteria entrance was increased to accommodate student flow. This drawing gives you an idea of the areas of the kitchen that are going to be renovated. Very little of the blue actually gets renovated, only where it comes up against the servery and the kitchen, which is shown in sort of a salmon color, as well as the yellow areas of the walk-in freezers and the green area of the office. This rendering gives you a perspective of the new cafeteria servery as you would see it as you enter. This shows you the new cafeteria entrance, expanded entrance to cut down on traffic bottlenecks. The classroom work is primarily casework and doors. We propose to replace the casework and doors in 62 classrooms, completely renovate 3 art rooms and 1 science room, replace the stair and fire doors in the Kingsbury Street wings and connectors, and provide quick action locking on all classroom and office doors throughout the entire building. For security, this gives the administrators and the teachers the ability to quick lock these doors with the push of a button in case of an intruder. This gives you a perspective of a typical classroom where we're only addressing the one wall which had the existing original casework. This is obviously a wall where you enter the classroom. You can see the entrance door. This is Science Room 217, kind of a unique one-off room that's getting completely renovated. This is a perspective of a typical renovated art classroom. The art classrooms will be renovated really top to bottom, new flooring, new ceilings, and all new casework. Exterior repairs. We've identified targeted repairs to the brick masonry and limestone. Replacement of all sealants, the cupola repair, new wall cap and guardrail at the retaining wall in the Donizetti parking lot, replacing chain link fence, and replacement of deteriorated bluestone steps and wall caps. This gives you a perspective of the new guardrail and wall cap at the Donizetti parking lot. Sustainability. We've done our best to try and make this project as sustainable as possible. We've designed the project to limit demolition and reconfiguration of spaces and finishes to reduce our carbon footprint. HVAC systems will have demand control and variable speed drives to maximize efficiency. We've retrofitted oversized heating and ventilating units in the cafeteria with variable speed drives to reduce capacity of the new unit required in the kitchen. Kitchen exhaust will have demand control ventilation using heat sensors to activate exhaust, reducing electricity use by 62%. All cooking appliances will be electronic ignition, reducing idle gas consumption by 21 million BTUs per year for each cooking range. Walk-in refrigeration will have smart defrost system, which activates upon demand, reducing electricity use by 72% for defrosting. All new appliances will be ENERGY STAR rated. A blast chiller has been included to support the food recovery program. All wood products are certified by FSC, which is Sustainably Managed Forests. Door cores and cabinet panels will be AgriFiber, which is a rapidly renewable material. Rich light counters in the classrooms. These are made from recycled paper. Low VOC materials have been used throughout, and all new lighting will be LED. Project schedule. Hopefully with approval from town meeting, we would have a debt exclusion vote 12/1/2020. Hopefully that would be passed, in which case we would provide a notice to proceed to the contractor on 12/2/2020. This allows the contractor to get started with their procurement and coordination and really get everything lined up for this very compressed schedule in the summer of 2021. And this is why we went construction management at risk, so we could do all this planning for the last year and really figure out how to get this project done in this time frame. On-site construction would commence at the close of school, projected to be 6/27. We understand this may be a week earlier. Punch list, so that construction would go till 9/1. Punch list and exterior completion between 9/1 and 10/1, and project closeout by the end of October. So school would start on time with this project. The exterior work is not believed to have any impact on school activities. Budgetary cost, we have a guaranteed maximum price from Shawmut, $10,227,327. All of these other figures are hard figures, the design fees, clerk of the works. So we have a total project request of $12,765,059, which is coming in about 5% under our feasibility budget. And I will open it up to questions. Thank you very much.